Welcome to Alpha Pixel application. Before using our application, make sure to disable the Facebook channel if it's installed and any other third-party application that supports the Facebook pixel in order to avoid the mistracking of your ads. Let's see here on the screen how to disable. Click here on the Facebook. This is a Shopify's Facebook as you can see here on my screen. Go to settings here. Click data sharing settings and down here you'll see the disconnect option. Click here, disconnect it, and disable this one too. So these were the little two steps. Let's see how to add a new pixel here. As on my screen you can see that I have already added 3 pixels before. This one is for my master, this is for my collection, and this is for my tag. So let's go to the business. To add a new pixel, click on the data sources, then come on the pixels. I am adding this pixel. I'll go to my events manager, click on the settings here, copy this pixel ID, go back to the dashboard and paste that ID here. Click add this pixel. So we can see its conversion API has not been set up. In the recent updates, Apple has disabled the Facebook tracking, so we need to configure the conversion API. Let's go back again in the events manager where we copy the pixel ID. Down here we'll see it is the generate access token. Copy this token, go back again and click on CAPI and paste that token here. Click save changes. Here we go guys, our pixel has been successfully added with configured conversion API. Let's see the working of our pixel. I have configured the conversion API for my master pixel and now I'll give it a test event. In business settings, I'll go to my events manager. Make sure your right pixel is selected for which you want to take a test event. Click test events, copy this text, click CAPI and paste that text here. Make sure you remove it after our test event. Click save changes. Now I'll go to my front of my website from here and see the working of my pixels. This is an extension with the name of Facebook Pixel Helper that will help you to see the working of your pixel. Right now only one pixel is triggered. Now I'll add my collection, that is health and beauty. Now here 2 pixels must be triggered. Let's find out. Exactly, we see 2 pixels are successfully triggered. You can also access this data from Events Manager. As you can see, we are providing best possible data to optimize your ad for both browser and server. If anyone is coming from Apple device, you can track him also. I'll click add to cart and see whether this add to cart is triggered or not. Exactly, we can see add to cart has been successfully triggered. This is my tag product that I already added before, and in this extension it has been successfully triggered. Now I'll check out and see whether this checkout has been successfully triggered or not. Exactly, we can see that initiate checkout, your each and every process is directly be seen from this events manager. If you want to reach us out, you can directly reach us out from here, help and support. Click here, down here you'll see the Facebook and this message icon. Click on this message icon. We are 24 hours available online for any convenience you require and any help that you need. You can directly send us messages from here. And if you want to book a meeting with our expert, you can directly ask that an expert from here. Lastly, please leave us a review, that matters a lot for us. Thank you.